Good afternoon, everybody. We are group number 4. We are going to present question number 2. We are 2 people. The question states that explain the effect of Ngoni migration in Tanzania. So the question needs us to explain how Ngoni migration affects the Africa economical, social, and political way. So after saying so, let me welcome my friend Soil to continue with our presentation. My friend, you are welcome.
Yes, I'm here. We here front of you I'm proceeding the question. According to my friend already introduced our question. Is it?
Yes.
Body migration is a movement of people from Tanzania to South Africa. And the leader Kijektie Ngwale. Is it?
No, from South Africa to Tanzania.
Yes.
Forgive us, doctor.
Yes. Okay. There is a causes caused by Ngoni migration to move from South Africa to Tanzania. The first causes is high population in Africa. The Dr. Norman Nongo kwa Kiswahili.
Okay, let me welcome. Let me help you. Let me help. Sorry. Thank you. Give us.
Any question is so far?
Yes.
Ask.
Thank you. That was our presentation. Give us much.